Today I'm taking a look at the 1,145 piece SAE and metric set screw assortment. We have got quite a variety in there. I really like they actually included all these different Allens. You don't have to go find an Allen set if you need to replace a set screw. So it looks like we got the metrics on the top and the SAE are all on the bottom. So we got a couple of different M3s, but they are actually in different lengths. So we got an M3 that is 3 millimeters long, 4, 5, 6, and 8 millimeters long. So it actually has different options for the depth that you're going to need. We got 3 types of M4, so we got a 5, a 6, and an 8 millimeter there. For the M5, we got a 5 millimeter and an 8 millimeter. For the M6, we got 6 and 10, and then all the M8s are 8 millimeter. Looks like we also have a bunch of different lengths for 8s. So for the 1/840, you have 1/8 inch long, 5/32, 1/4 inch, and 5/16. For the 5/32 32, we got 3/16, 1/4 and 5/16. Then for the 3/16 24, we got 3/16 and 5/16. For the 1/4 20, we got 1/4 inch long, 3/8. And then for the largest 5/16 18, we got 5/16. Considering that most sets are either metric or SAE only, it is very refreshing having a full set like this. It does appear that all the walls in this kit are molded in, so you don't have to worry about those things pulling out and have everything becoming disorganized, so I like that. It is a little odd to me that they would put M3s and M4s in the same slot, so the M3s appear to be in bags. I think I would have preferred that to be in separate compartments. But if we take a look at our M8, you can see that it does not have a head, so they're just going to stick directly onto an Allen. So it's going to be for applications like for collars or that kind of thing, anything where you need to lock it down, but you don't want to have that extra head sticking out the end. The threads do look like they're in pretty good condition. I don't see any gulling or any kind of weird jagged edges on there. And it does say that this is a grade 12.9, so these should be very strong. So here I have a collar stop for a drill. So the idea is you would just put this on, drop a set screw in there, lock it together, and that way as you're drilling, you're going to have a spot that this will stop at. But most of the time, these collars are missing the set screw. There we go. Back in action. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice assortment of set screws.